Can you see everything?
Shit.
Kasi parang kahit na honey.
Look at all the houses.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So it is a Monday, guys. What day is it? 23rd of December, and Daddy's got a treat for us. He bought a ticket to go to Eagle Arthur's Seat. Have a look, guys. It's very scary. Have a look at that. So that one there, just a cable. There's Mingai, but it's just like a cable. It's like a cable car, but it's going down like that, guys. So it's gonna be really scary, but yeah, it's very exciting. So we're inside now, guys, and we're gonna go in there. We're just waiting for Daddy because Daddy went to the toilet. Where's Paris? Hello. Say hi. Do you like Paris's earrings? Oh, B. Say hi. Baby shark. Beautiful girl. Wow.
Guys, just let me know. You can get self-service, and if you want anything toasted, just let me know.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ito nga drinkin mo, Ma. Huh? Want a drink? Yeah, chocolate. Want a drink, Daddy?
What do you want?
Which one? We'll get that. That is what we're having, guys. Tuhan ang tamak. Hot choco ice. Hati kinanugnaw na ko.
After the
What's that thing? Scones. Scones. Banana bread.
Yeah? Yeah. Wait for next one.
Hey, honey.
Do you recommend sitting on this side?
Huh?
Do you recommend sitting on this side?
The baby. That side? Hi. Come on. Hello. No, but we have to be going. Paris, are you excited?
You know, if you want to sit on this side, maybe it's fine.
Yes.
If there's no balance, it's the same thing. You know what?
Yes.
Say I'm excited, Dida. Look.
Say, I'm excited. Paris.
Wow. Hey.
Hold on.
Hold on to Dida.
Ayun yan ang tawag picture, T. Sa pagpabalik ka ng video.
Excuse me.
Look, Tara. Hello. You want to talk?
Oh my God. Ikaw sabi niya
Ako kayo mag-live ko.
Yes.
Wow. Can you see the top? Can you see the top? What's that?
Oh my god, what's that, baby?
That's her.
Yes. Oh my.
Papa.
Bye
Bye. Did you say bye bye? Oh, it's pretty cool.
Look, honey, what's that?
Yeah.
Whoa!
This is pretty relaxing. Have a look at the water, it's green.
Can you put that on the photo?
Can we see the city here?
Nice.
What's that?
What's that?
Yeah.
Careful, they have.
Stand out to do that?
Ooh.
Wow.
Stand up.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Hi. Say hi to them, honey.
Oh,
Oh no.
no. Yeah.
Oh no.
It's you.
What's that?
The view up here.
That's normal.
What is that?
Ooh.
Can you see everything?
Don't move.
Can you see everything, honey?
What's this? Oh, yes.
Can you see everything?
Oh, shit.
Kasi parang kahit honey.
Look at all the houses. Look at everyone else. Say hello.
Chocolate, Mama.
Ooh, you know he fell off.
Yes, baby.
Paris.
Are you Peppa Pig?
Paris.
What did Peppa Pig say?
When?
Echo?
Echo?
Uncle.
Echo.
Say,
Jojo.
oh, you.
Jojo.
Toto.
Taste something.
Taste that.
Where? There. What's that?
Tito.
What's that?
Ta.
Tongue. That's right. Have a mama. Have a pew. 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 Boom.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Baby mama.
I love you, mommy.
Go.
Love you,
No,
Paris.
no.
Oh, no. That's door. No. Don't touch the door because it's scary. The door might open. Yeah. Woo.
No. Oh, Tito.
Echo. Echo.
Echo. What's Tita's name?
Mimi.
Mimi.
Do you want ice cream?
Ice.
Do you
Have
want
you
ice?
been a good girl?
Do you want ice?
Yeah, we're here, mommy. Come on.
You want ice?
Are we gonna come off it? You're the lady.
I'm last year. I know right.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes,
Thank
very
you.
good. Are you sure, Bob?
Yeah. If we want to return, we can just come back later. Yeah.
Yeah, so as long as you're back, the last one's at 5 o'clock.
Oh yeah, easy. Thank you.
Wow. Is this your puppy?
Kiss.
Wow. Kiss the puppy. Good girl. Karu? Karu? Good job. So we're down here now, guys. It took approximately 10 minutes down. Lola. So we're just gonna stay here for a little bit.
Can I get Paris ice?
Yeah. Gonna get Paris ice cream because she's been a good girl, and then we're gonna go back because we daddy purchased like the return ticket, so we're gonna go back before 5 o'clock. So yes. Which one you like, honey? Which one? Huh?
Leopard? Satu anu, Carabao.
Huh?
Carabao apa leopard?
No, that one. No, that is getting you one. Yay! Who's clapping her hands? Wow! Oh, get her to hold it, Daddy. Or else she wants another one. Yeah, just get her to hold it. There you go. Come on. We'll pay first. We'll pay first.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Look at ice.
Ice!
Wow.
Wow! Is it yum?
As well.
Is it yum? Yum? Oh, you haven't opened it yet, honey? Yum! Wow, yummy? Oh! Oh! That is sunbathing. Tita sunbathing man. Napagod na kita ng sunbathing. I'm burning. Please wait here. There. We just came out, guys. We show the one photo.
I soared like an eagle.
Yeah, guys, have a look. So we had 3 photos taken, and the wacky looks better than the normal one. So we just got the wacky one. But see this one, guys? It's $18 for this, which is not bad. There you go. Put it in the thing. So we are now going back to the car, guys. We are, I don't know, I think we're gonna go check into the hotel or this place that we're going to stay tonight, and then we're going to the beach later, and then yeah, have some fish and chips for dinner, I think.
Ada kan eagle dari Philippines untuk eagle.
The water is so blue. So here, reception.
Hi, how are you?
Here now. Oh my god. Okay. The elevator is so small. Wait, ngit na. Oh my god, look like.
Oh my god. Ito ka natin. Ayun na ipuwala ko ng
We're here. So we are room 25. Yep. Our little girl's sleeping. So we're staying at Bay Motel Safety Beach. Safety Beach. Okay. Wow. Oh, lovely.
Oh, kabalo sila nga yung charger.
So here's the room. Hello, sweetie. Go to her bed. Boom. Take the shoes off. Oh, shh. Shh. There you go. Go up. That's nice. So we've got a single bed for Mimi, guys, because you know we don't want her to sleep on the floor. That's not bad. We're gonna do a bit of tour. So this is the bathroom. Nice. That's the shower and the bath. Here's the little kitchen. And this is the closet. Honey! And this little TV.
Where's Tito?
Where's Tito, Mama?
Caro? Where's Caro?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. How much is this, Daddy, per night?
200.
200 per night. Wow, that's still expensive.
Beach bug. This time of year, the beach.
Yay! Up! Are you gonna sleep with Tita? Huh?
It's
No.
big.
Woo, yeah.
School holidays, near the beach.
Relax. Whoa! Paris!
It's school holidays and near the beach. That's how much accommodation is now.
Paris going to sleep? Shh. Good night. Lie down.
Hey!
We're currently in Dramana Hub Shopping Center. So we are just in front of IGA, guys. So Dada just went to get some beer with Paris, because yeah, we're gonna go to the beach after this. So Dada wants to have some beer to drink. How are you going, ma'am? camera shy.
Yeah.
No more.
Let's go.
No more. Come on, let's go. One more. Last one.
Yeah.
You can do it, honey. Nani, you can do it, honey. Baba. Let her do it.
Yeah. Put it in here.
Oh, yeah, because it's 50 cents, Daddy. Like, it's not round.
What happened? It's gone. No more.
No more.
One more? No more.
No more, na. Let's go. Oh, no.
Yeah, one. One down.
He's getting fish and chips, guys. Here, Tui. Where's Daddy?
What is that?
So we just got our fish and chips. We're walking towards the water now. Birds. Huh? It is, what time is it now? 5? Wala, wala na. Panlabay yan yung pagkaon.
106 noy, but-but ka mo.
Stop the hold up.
Walang pantalan. Oh, stay. Just leave it here.
What?
Cork and food. Whoa, whoa, are you sinking?
Come back and let them do these things.
That's alright. Honey! Come here. There's the go. Come back.
Paris chip.
Ooh. The food. Fish and chips, calamari, and drinks.
Paris birds.
Look at all these birds waiting to feed.
Paris bird. Bird. Come on. Whoa.
Yeah, yeah. Stop feeding them, Bob. You know?
You good? Yeah, honey. Yeah. Yeah. Paris. Paris.
I said no more. Nalupad na sila yun. Ba't ganyan sila? No more!
Baka ni Bob.
Go away, no more. Hala. No more! Go fly away.
They're scared. Be careful, honey.
Here's the bata nga nagdagan-dagan sa tubig. She's half wet now. I told you not to go to the water, ha? So, true, pasag ng gulo. What kasi mong amahan? Nanig-bitch, guys. Nanig-bitch, nagkalupo. Paris is in the tawag, guys. Nag-burless to. Hoy, sinina nga bata. Bata nga nag-uho, guys, oh. Tapo naman, nagkalimaw yung buhok, ah. So, work na.
There, any swipe thing.
Push the bottom.
Ang lak sa pag maguba ginaa. Nak, sit down, nak. Drive. Kaya kanina ba?
Drive.
Drive, come on. Drive. Allah. Good girl. Hi. So, we're back in the room now, guys, from the beach. And that's it for today's video, I think. So tomorrow will be our second day and we will be going home tomorrow as well. So yeah, it's very nice lighting in here. But yeah, guys, good night and thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, guys. I would appreciate that if you do it. And then I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be